Hi friends, today we will unbox Portronics latest portable battery powered speaker Puresound 4. So it is directly coming from Portronics, so we just unbox and review this speaker. One more product I have arranged, I connect, so that we will do in different video. This is the latest model, 60 watt loud and clear sound bar, Puresound Pro 4. Previous Pro 3 comes, that is 10 watt. Now latest model comes with a 16 watt POR 1613. So latest Bluetooth 5.0, 2000 mAh battery, USB pen drive support and inbuilt radio FM. So packaging is smooth, finishing is good. Now we will open and check. What we found inside the device. So device comes with micro charging cable, user manual and warranty registration card. This is warranty registration card, user manual. So Bluetooth 5.0, frequency 150 to 18 kHz, 75 dB, solar watt output, 2000 mAh battery, approx battery backup 4 hours. This is the basic user manual how to use. Now we will hope there is some battery in the new speaker, so we will open and check. It comes with a pino finish, glossy, power on.
Power on, Bluetooth mode.
So device is power on and ready to use. Same button.
FM mode.
FM mode. This is multifunction button. This is volume increase, decrease. This is play pause button and FM tune button. So we will do all step one by one. Please subscribe my channel for more videos and please share your comment. Thank you.